Hey folks, welcome to Print D's 3D Printing. The dinosaurs are taking over. Oh my gosh. It's where I've been. Now guys, I do have to apologize. I haven't been making as many videos. And honestly, here in Northeast Pennsylvania, we've had ice, snow. This has been one of the worst winters that we've had in 30 years. And I fell and got injured. But I have to talk about this. The dinosaurs are taking over. So we are in the middle of doing a 300 print dinosaur job. And you say, wow, 300 dinosaurs. What are you doing with those dinosaurs? Well, it's that time of the year. My son is Big Red, the other half of Print D's, is doing robotics. He's a mentor at Robotics. And every year they pick a theme, and the theme this year is dinosaurs. So he's been making dinosaurs. So I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes of some of the stuff. We got a new printer, and we have 7 printers running right now. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you what we've been making and what we've been doing. All right, so here is the bodies. My son, Big Red, he says, Dad, I bought a printer. I'm like, you bought a printer? And he spent $2,000 back in January and bought the Bamboo Lab H2D printer. And he took one of our AMS off our original printers, and we're just running one color on that, but he has it set up now that it's 8 colors. But it's amazing what's being done here. Now, this print job is, how long is this print job? 27 hours to make 10 dinosaur bodies. And what I mean by bodies, I'll explain that to you. Hey guys, look at this one too. The Camel Bots. This is their shirts this year, which I love it. The dinosaur. And we're on there. Print D's 3D Printing. So if you guys get a chance and you're on Facebook, check out Camel Bots. And so this is all the different sponsors. But this is the shirt this year. And we actually this weekend are going to be going this Saturday to New Jersey. We're here in Pennsylvania, and we're going to see the robot in action. So I probably will be recording there. Usually I do one video a year because they do 3D printed parts for it, and we will be recording there. All right, so we always have the poop, but last night the power went out, and look, after approximately about 16, 17 hours, some of the dinosaurs died. So when it reset, it the whole head wiped out the board, and we had to throw away 10. But that's just part of it. But I'm showing you, some dinosaurs didn't make it. So we're going to show you what we're doing, and then the end result. And it's been a lot of fun, but time-consuming. To make approximately 300 dinosaurs is going to be about 35 days worth of work with multiple printers. Okay, so this is the dinosaur build station, I'm going to call it. So I'm going to have my son basically explain what's in the bags, and then I'm going to ask him a couple questions, and we're going to walk you through what we're building here, and really what it's taking. All right. Good.
There's 9 parts to this dinosaur, and it's going to be a scavenger hunt at the competition that each station will have one piece. So there's the jaw, which has one of the old game pieces. The head.
Okay, so I'm not gonna show that till the end. So that's okay. So basically, what we have here, right, is the body parts, right?
Yep.
So you've been going to the robotics, and with you and part of the team, this was a design that, how many pieces does it take to finish the dinosaur approximately?
9.
9. Not including the base?
No, including the base.
Including the base. All right, so here's the body part finished. And then what was this symbolize the orange?
That's the rings. It's one of the game pieces from 2024.
So this is the rings from one of the game pieces, and you can see that 336 of these part, 2024. Mom, take that. What is this?
Those are the necks.
Oh, neck bones. I like dinosaur neck bones with gravy and mashed potatoes. These are the neck bones. Oh, wait a minute. These are dinosaurs. Okay, no. Sorry about that. I was thinking about turkeys. So the necks. Ooh, though. Every time I hear.
These are technically 2 parts. They are put together.
Oh, 2 necks. And what is this?
It's a little snap ring.
Oh, a little snap ring connector.
Connects to
Yeah. All right. The bottom jaw. 100 bottom jaws in there. So you can see that they're trying to do. They have 3 shows coming up. They're trying to have 100 of them. The bottom jaw. Wow, that's cool.
Game pieces this year.
Bottom jaw. Okay. Now what is this?
Those are the right arm, and it's a cube, which is another game piece.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's cool. And what is this part?
That's the other arm. It's another game piece.
Oh,
from 2020.
that's the left arm with a game piece from last year. Okay. Whoa, back head.
Those are all the top.
Oh, black head.
Top of the heads.
Oh, that forms the top. I see. Wow. And what else do we got here? Whoa, in these boxes.
Both the legs.
Both the legs. So the left brown leg and the right black leg. So a lot of parts are made. Now, what do you say is going to happen here?
There's going to be a scavenger hunt around the competition. You go to each station, and we're going to ask a trivia question of past years. For example, what the game piece in 2023 was.
Okay.
And then if they answer correctly, they get 1 piece, and then they get to go to another member to get another.
So how many teams will compete in this?
35.
35 teams, and how many students approximately?
There's around 3,000 students that attended.
3,000 students, and each one you're planning on about 100 that they're going to actually build this dinosaur.
Yeah.
All right. So, why don't you show me what the final product on that table? Whoa! Pick that up. Let me see that close to the camera. Wow, spin that around. Let me see that. Oh my, look at that. Now that is finished. So this is the orange piece that he mentioned, the left arm. Now what do these all symbolize?
This is 2017 game piece, and then this is the first logo.
Oh, the logo. Now here's the base. It'll go on the base. Warren Hills, that's the first place. So what they're going to do, and I'm going to show you that real quick. That is really cool. You could see the top. So there's a lot of work that goes into that. We'll put that down. Give me one of the bases. Let me see one of those. So I'm going to show you what the base looks like. So what we're doing is we're doing the base on a printer. That is, we print 1 color. And how long does it take usually to make these?
4 hours for one.
4 hours. So there's the dinosaur without the base. And then he sits right on top of the base. So 4 hours just to make one?
Yep.
4 hours just to make one. So let me ask you something. What's the reason that you're doing these?
We're trying to win an award for gives us extra points to make it to championship.
Yeah, so basically what happens is not only can they win awards for the robot, how it works and stuff like that, but part of the design. And so they design the shirts, they do these extra things, they have their stations. So a lot goes into doing this. I'm going to show you one more thing before we go, real quick. Oh, this is perfect. So we have these 2 printers, and I know like we have this one on a milk crate. This one we take now to the craft shows and things like that for display. And you can see not everything always goes very smoothly. So there's that one. They're screwing up. They're going to have to clean that and reset it. It happens. Sometimes the filament is wet and it's not dry. And then we're running 1 color on that. But these are what we've been making with these 2 printers here in our living room. So it's when I say the dinosaurs have taken over, they've taken over the whole house. And these are going to be little giveaways, right, Josh?
Yep, they're going to be mixed in with our buttons.
So with a lot of them just hand out buttons. So we're making little mini dinosaurs, multicolors. And How long does it take approximately to plant about 25, 30 of these?
5 is 10 hours.
10 hours. So that's not bad. So we basically can make, with 2 printers a day, as long as it runs right, we can make about 100. So you can see here we have several hundred, and
5 colors right
and
there.
we have 5 colors, and it's going to be different things that we're handing out. So, but yeah, so the dinosaurs are taking over. We're going to kick them out. They're going to go to Jersey in their first trip. I want to thank you guys. My wife is helping me out filming. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. If you could do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, comment below. Me and my friend Steve Alcorn have been doing lives here and there talking about the business aspect of 3D printing. And I don't know if you saw that sticker I made. I think I threw it in the beginning. Robotic Park, because the theme of dinosaurs and robots, because it's tied together. I made those robotic. I want my son now. He bought a sticker machine a couple months ago, so I want him to make stickers out of that. But if you guys could give me, again, a like and a follow, I'd greatly appreciate it, and we will see you again.